Welcome, everybody! In our last video, we explored the repeatable and non-repeatable groups. Today, we will be exploring one of the most important features of origami, the conditional styling. Conditional styling in origami helps you bring your data to life by applying visual rules, so important information stands out instantly. Whether it's highlighting overdue tasks, top clients, or high-priority items, conditional styling makes your workspace clearer, smarter, and more action-oriented. Today, we'll focus on one powerful use case, changing the colors of different lead statuses. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to visually track where each lead stands, helping you prioritize follow-ups and streamline your entire sales process. So without further ado, let's dive in. Conditional styling gives us the option to cover the whole entry or specific fields with a color. Today, we will be exploring both cases. Back to our leads, let's simply create a new lead and give it the status of warm lead. Fill the rest of the fields as you like. And now, let's see how we can create conditional styling and give the lead statuses a color basis on how we want to track them. Go back to the views, and under the filters, click on the conditional styling. As you can see, Origami provides some default statuses for us to make our life easier. However, let's create some custom conditions for our leads. Simply click on Add a new rule to get started. It's important to give each rule a clear and descriptive name. This will help you stay organized as you create multiple rules and ensure you can easily identify and manage them later in the process. So let's call our rule as Warm Lead and mark it with the orange color. Here I can either select a specific field or leave it blank. But for now, let's choose the status to be orange in case the below filter meets the criteria. So let's add a filter. So whenever the status of the lead is marked as warm lead, then the color will be orange. Add a filter, status includes warm lead, and add the rule. Here it is, and let's check it out in practice. Back to our leads, but we cannot see the status here. This is because we have not enabled it yet. Here's how we can enable it. Back to our table view, lead details, and click on the status. Voila! Our first conditional styling. And if we want to edit the status simply from here, we simply enable the Allow Quick Edit from the View section, just like this. We can repeat the same process for all the leads. Now let's see how we can mark with specific color the whole row instead of a specific field. Back to our conditional styling, let's duplicate our existing filter and name it a cold lead, giving it a blue color. Remove the status from here in order to color the full row and change the filter to cold lead. Save it. Ready to see what we have created? Voila! Origami gives you two powerful ways to track your leads with clarity. One is by marking a specific lead with a color using conditional styling, and the other is by visually organizing rows through colored columns or labels. These simple yet powerful tools help you instantly understand what's happening in your pipeline, so you can stay focused, organized, and in control. That's it for today. Let us know if you have any questions by contacting us through our website or by email at hey@origami.ms. And we will be glad to get back to you the soonest. Next up is to explore the widgets.
Yeah.